really feels snug. Hey everybody, this is Mohammed from Sunset Riders, and I do motorcycle reviews, motorcycling related contents, motorcycle podcast based in the UAE. So if you like these kind of contents and if you want to know more about UAE's motorcycling culture, stay tuned and let's ride. So, as you can see, I am here with a motorcycle helmet. A brand new motorcycle helmet. By the way, this episode is not sponsored or de-sponsored by anybody. I got this helmet for myself as a gift on my birthday, which was a few days ago. So, yeah, we have the Airoh Matryx Carbon Glossy. I've been in a hunt for a new helmet. Those who follow me, you guys know I've been using HJC helmets for a very long time, and I really love their helmets. But then I wanted to switch. I wanted to try out a different brand this time. So I got this helmet. I did a lot of research and I think I made the right decision. I wanted a very simple, neat and clean, lightweight carbon fiber glossy finish helmet, so which can be used with most colors of motorcycles, because as you know, I do motorcycle reviews and I'm riding different kinds of motorcycles. So I wanted a helmet which can be used with most of the motorcycles, and plus I want it to be more comfortable. And as per my research, I found this particular helmet is lighter and also quieter. It's a carbon fiber glossy version, Pinlock ready, and I think the Pinlock comes with it, and ACE 2206. What else? Oh yeah, it can adapt to the Bluetooth comms. I personally use Cardo, the Pactalk Edge. I don't have it right now. Once I finish the unboxing, I'll be able to fix it maybe another day, and I'll show you how it looks, how I installed it, and maybe I even do a ride review. I will even test out the noise, so that if any of you are planning to buy this, it will be really helpful, because when I was looking online, I couldn't find any video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is it. What else is in the box? Nothing. Here is a pin lock. So I'm really excited, guys. So here you go. I like it. It's lightweight. The weight is 1,540 grams. My size is 59, so I chose the large. And here I think the recommended Bluetooth comm will go inside, but I'm using Cardo Pactalk Edge. I'm gonna stick it here with the double-sided tape, and then the wire can go inside. So this is something I really like, because most of the helmets, what you need to do is you need to remove this liner and wire it through, which actually kills the noise isolation. So this is really nice. I can put the wire through, and of course you won't be able to close this, but at least it looks neat. So I believe the Pactalk Edge will come here. So the visor has a lock system. Also, yes, it has the drop-down visor, since it is a sport touring helmet. Pretty strong. First thing first, remove the sticker. Wow, what a satisfaction. So yeah, I feel it's lighter than my HJC Alpha 70. Oh yeah, it's carbon fiber, but feels good. The lining and everything looks really good. So let me remove this one. It comes with the additional chin curtain, so you can just install it from inside. It gives additional, wind protection. That's really nice. Oh yeah, so it has the emergency pull, which is really good, quite common these days. And the speaker provision is here, so there is a cutout, pretty wide. I need to double check whether it can take the bigger speaker from the Cardo, which is I think 42 mm. It looks like it's for a smaller one. I need to try that. And the liners, of course, you can remove them, you can wash them. Press it upwards, it opens. Oh yeah, by the way, it's a D-ring, which is good. Bismillah. Really feels snug. So finally, I got a chance to ride with this helmet, and I'm gonna throw my honest opinion about this helmet. First of all, I'm having a very difficult time because I'm not able to connect the Cardo edge on this because this hole is a bit smaller. So the 3.5 jack is not gonna go through it. So I need to find a solution for that. The field of view is great. I really feel comfortable. I feel it is better than the HJC Alpha 70. I also installed the Pinlock. The problem I faced with this helmet is the wind blast, the noise. It was more than I expected. When I bought the Alpha 70, it was very quiet. Over the years, it became noisy because I installed Cardo, maybe there were air leaks and all these things. But this one, I didn't do anything, yet there's a lot of noise, which I didn't expect. I will have to ride with earplugs, that's what the summary is. I think I'm disappointed with this purchase. But anyhow, you should see that I'm standing right in front of the BMW XR. This is the 2025 model. And you see how tall the windscreen is. It was giving me a lot of wind noise. It could be because of this motorcycle. Maybe there's a lot of buffeting on this motorcycle that I'm yet to try. By the way, guys, if you want to watch a full ride and review of this 2025 S1000 XR, you can find that video somewhere up here, or I will link that video down in the description, all right? Another problem I faced was if you have a pillion sitting, this spoiler or whatever it is going to be a big problem because I had the pillion's helmet hitting me so many times here while I was riding, so that was causing a lot of discomfort to me. The best thing I liked about this helmet is the intake vent. When you open it, which is like pulling backwards, it distributes a lot of wind on this area, which was amazing. That's the first time I felt so good opening the vent on a helmet. So that's something I really like. There's something I missed, which is the, sorry about the noise. All right, so the drop down visor. See guys, you know, I have used many helmets and I always prefer to have a sports touring helmet with the drop down visor. But this drop down visor is literally, what do I say, 10% tint. So it doesn't do anything good, you know. Despite having this, you will have to wear a sunglass to feel comfortable while riding during bright daylight, you know. So that's something I didn't like. I did record an audio while having my DJI Mic 2 inside my helmet. Hopefully you will understand how it was for me. Yeah. So that's about it. So this is my Airoh Matryx Carbon. By the way, I told you my honest opinion about this helmet, so this is it.